Good morning, guys, and welcome to my channel CS Witty Kids. Earlier I created a Pong game wherein the paddle was kept on the horizontal axis. There was one paddle which was kept on the horizontal axis. So I've created one more Pong game. In this, we have two paddles, both kept at a vertical axis parallel to each other. Okay, at both the edges, right and left respectively, and there is one ball. The ball is bouncing, and using this vertical paddles we need to prevent the ball from touching this red line. If the ball touches this red line, then the game would stop automatically. So let's have a glance over the code. We will have four sprites. The first one will be the basketball, the second one will be the paddle, and third one also paddle, and there's one line. So first the basketball. When the flag is clicked, go to x minus 4y 10. This is the position of the ball. Actually, this is this position somewhere over here. Pointing direction 90. The ball would face itself in 90, because if we'll not make the sprite, that is the basketball, to face in direction 90 in the sense this direction, then it would move upwards, but we don't have a paddle upward and downward, so we have to adjust the ball in such a way that the ball should move horizontally or in a diagonal. Then a forever loop is applied. Move 10 steps. Facing this 90, it will move 10 steps. This is the beginning code. And then if on edge, if touching this, this and this, right, left and top edge, then it would bounce back. But if touching the line, this red line I'm talking about, stop, all the code would stop. That is, we will lose. Then if touching paddle 3, paddle 3 is this one, then point in direction 45 to minus 9, minus 45 to minus 90. So minus 45, like I'm showing using this is 90, this angle, it will choose a random degree or a random angle to minus 45 this, or minus 90. Where is minus 90? This. Between these two, it will choose some random angle. Okay, and it will move 10 steps. Then if touching paddle 2, this paddle, then point in direction 45 to 90. So 45 will be over here and 90. So why 45 90 minus 45 minus 90? Because otherwise the ball would bounce in some different direction, or we can either keep it 135 also and minus 135. That's our choice. But if it would be 180, then it will automatically touch the red line, because it will bounce in vertical way. So we don't have a paddle at the bottom or at the top, so that's the reason why I have added these angles. Then move 10 steps. Then paddle 2. When the flag is clicked, a position is set, XY axis position, down arrow. So you need to remember that if we will click down arrow, then this this paddle will move downwards. If we click upward arrow, this paddle will move upwards. Pointing direction 0 means upward, move 10 steps. And pointing direction 180, just opposite, 10 steps. And now if we will click the paddle 3, a position is set. When flag is clicked, we'll click left and right arrow, because if I'll keep it up and bottom arrow, then two paddles will move simultaneously on clicking up arrow key and the bottom down arrow key. So that's why I have added a left and right arrow. Point in direction 180 and point in direction 0, move 10 steps, move 10 steps. If we want to omit a confusion, we can add A, B, C. We have a list of keys available, so we can add any of these keys. Okay, so let's play the game. You can also add sounds if you wish, otherwise you may omit it. You see? Now I touch the red red line, then it stopped. So this was all about the game. Thank you for watching the video, and do like, share and subscribe my channel.